Hello everyone and good evening. Aloha from Honolulu. This is Josh from Cryptonics, Hawaii. And today I wanted to talk about Solana. It's a project that I just learned about, but it's been around for just a little while. And it was just put on Uphold. They were just made available on Uphold. So I decided to check it out. And I found some really interesting things that you might want to be aware of. So I put them together and I'm going to show you what's up with Solana. So Solana is now boasting a total of 10,166,328,29 total transactions. They are, from what I gather, the fastest blockchain project. Solana can process 50,000 transactions per second. Don't believe us? Stress test the network to experience Solana speed for yourself. So you can test this out. Solana is the world's most performant blockchain. Currently, it can handle 50,000 transactions per second with 400 millisecond block times. To see just how fast it is, you're invited to come and break Solana. During the next 15 seconds, send as many transactions as you can by mashing your keyboard. I don't want to add a wallet. Anyway, you can try that at home. Looks fun. So USDC from CoinDesk. USDC is coming to Solana blockchain and potential boost for non-Ethereum DeFi. Solana is very valuable to a lot of people now because of their efficiency. They use a special technique called proof of history, which basically adds a timestamp to every transaction. So it orders the transactions. Makes a lot of sense, but it wasn't currently like that before. So the Coinbase and Circleback Center Consortium announced support for its USDC stablecoin on the Solana blockchain Wednesday. So Coinbase and Circleback Center, they're working with Solana, marking the dollar-backed asset's fourth blockchain integration after Ethereum, Algorand, and Stellar, announced barely a week ago. Compared to Ethereum's approximate rate of 15 transactions per second, Solana offers over 50,000 transactions per second, which Circle CEO Jeremy Allaire told CoinDesk helps USD function at scale and in a highly performant condition. USDC was launched with the goal of creating technical and regulatory standards supervised by governments and regulators for a dollar-pegged money format and protocol, Allaire told CoinDesk. The stablecoin is just now moving into the growth phase, he added. So this is the Center website. A lot of these websites now, they're using the IO. So introducing USD coin, the stablecoin brought to you by Circle and Coinbase. So they're launching this on the Solana blockchain. Pretty interesting. From Cointelegraph, Solana trading volume soars as DeFi seeks Ethereum alternatives. I'm sure many of you know that the gas fees for Ethereum are really high and they're not able to scale their project to the needs of the current DeFi space. So a lot of this money is kind of locked up. 2021 got off to a quick start, and the current crypto bull market has seen assets like Bitcoin and Ether shoot to new all-time highs on an almost daily basis. While new price highs are positive for investors, they do present a range of challenges relating to fees, transaction speeds, and the centralization of what is meant to be a decentralized ecosystem. Since mid-2020, institutional investors have been steadily flooding into cryptocurrency, and this is exacerbating the issue of scalability, high transaction costs, and lengthy confirmation times on the Bitcoin and Ethereum blockchain. So ETH2 is steadily rolling out, but it could still be some time before users will benefit from its new host of new features. But one such project that has been making waves in the past 6 months is Solana Sol, founded by Anatoly Yakovenko and designed a team of former engineers from globally recognized companies including Intel, Dropbox, and Qualcomm. Solana claims to be a censorship-resistant blockchain that provides the open infrastructure required for global adoption. Solana is the shiznit, guys, so we gotta check it out. Some experts view the project as a possible Ethereum competitor, and FTX exchange co-founder and CEO Sam Bankman-Fried threw his support behind the project when he chose it to host his DeFi project called Serum. We'll talk about that in a minute. So Solana, scaling crypto to the masses. Solana was created in 2017 with the goal of efficiently scaling censorship resistance to support an order of magnitude increase in transaction throughput. The resulting blockchain is an ultra-fast network capable of operating far more cost-effectively than most other established blockchains, from Cryptopedia. So in summary, basically, it's designed as a decentralized protocol. Solana incorporates an innovative proof of history timing mechanism that is implemented prior to and facilitates its proof of stake protocol structure. The result is an ultra-fast blockchain capable of processing more than 50,000 transactions per second, with the ability to scale as usage of the protocol grows without relying on layer 2 systems or sharding. So it's next level action right here. Here we have from Medium, 8 core innovations, what makes Solana the web-scale blockchain. Solana was conceived in 2017 when its founder Anatoly Yakovenko sought a way for a decentralized network of nodes to match the performance of a single node. None of the major blockchains come close to achieving this property. Achieving this is Solana's North Star. Proof-of-work systems like Bitcoin and Ethereum support about 10 transactions per second. Practical Byzantine fault tolerance-based proof-of-stake systems like Tendermint support about 1,000 TPS with 100 to 200 nodes. Solana, a PBFT-like POS blockchain, supports upwards of 50,000 transactions per second with over 200 nodes on current testnet iterations, making it the most performant blockchain and the world's first web-scale decentralized network. Since its inception, the Solana team, comprised of pioneering technologists from Qualcomm, Intel, Netscape, and Google, has focused on building the tech required for Solana to function with these groundbreaking performance standards. In order to create a decentralized, permissionless network that matches the performance of a single node, the Solana team developed 8 key technologies. These are proof of history, a clock before consensus, Tower BFT, a POH optimized version of PBFT, Turbine, a block propagation protocol, Gulfstream, mempool-less transaction forwarding protocol, C-level, parallel smart contracts runtime, pipelining, a transaction processing unit for validation optimization, Cloudbreak, horizontally scaled accounts database, and Archivers distributed ledger storage. So yeah, they are really making waves here. And it's also named for Solana Beach, near San Diego, in North County, San Diego, near Del Mar. Beautiful place, love it there. Also love the Belly Up. Go to some good shows over there. They got some really good music shows. But here from investmentu.com, the Solana cryptocurrency token could be huge. This is posted January 19th, updated January 22nd. The Solana cryptocurrency isn't on many folks' radar, but the outfit behind it is quietly revolutionizing how cryptos could change hands. And that's gotten the attention of some crypto connoisseurs with an eye on the future. Even if Bitcoin is the one getting the headlines, while it may be a little premature to call 2021 the year of the crypto, prognosticators could certainly do worse. But even amid record highs, the Bitcoin dream was recently described as dead, and major media outlets have reported on cryptocurrencies being snuffed out hundreds of times. See, Solana, that's just the way it goes, though. No matter when an obituary is written, eventually it'll come true. Even the rumors of Mark Twain's death were just a decade or so off. But in the world of finance, the reports of doom and gloom tend to garner the most headlines. Take the stock market's recent bull run, for instance. It was still in its infancy when the doomsayers started warning of a major fallout. And guess what? A mere 10 years later, they were right. The bull succumbed, and the bear ever so briefly rose to prominence. So the Solana cryptocurrency's potential is huge. The blockchain behind Solana cryptocurrency wants to revolutionize the crypto market. And by some accounts, it's poised to do just that. But is it a good investment? That depends on your risk tolerance and timeline. So, this is really going to be, most of these crypto projects are definitely long term. So, if you're looking for something to make a quick buck, I would say stick to the stock market. You can get these pump and dumps. You can ride these waves. You can, make some fast cash. But if you want to win the lottery in slow motion, you want to invest in something that is the future of finance and get some massive, massive, unbelievable gains in a matter of months or years. Like I would say within 1 to 3 months, you're going to see something really nice happen. And then within 1 to 3 years, we're going to be well on our way, guys. So I really think this is the absolute future right now. The World Economic Forum is meeting in Davos. Well, their Davos forum is actually online right now due to COVID, but they are meeting to discuss the future of finance and cryptocurrencies and how they're going to change everything with the Great Reset to green tech, and the whole system is changing. So just be aware. And, this here is Serum. These articles right here are talking about it. FTX to launch scalable decentralized exchange in weeks. Established derivatives player FTX is building an alternative exchange for the growing decentralized finance space on top of highly scalable chain Solana. Dubbed Serum, the initiative claims to offer a scalable and liquid decentralized exchange DEX for derivatives, solving some of the structural vulnerabilities and limitations in the existing DeFi space. Solana is said to be able to process 50,000 transactions per second compared to Ethereum, which can currently handle 15. Being highly scalable means Serum can run an order book on-chain, improving the exchange's liquidity, according to a white paper. Serum will be fully interoperable with Ethereum, so it can tap into the existing DeFi space, which saw its market cap break the $4 billion boundary over the weekend. So Serum is a next level DEX, DeFi exchange. So crypto exchange FTX is launching a decentralized exchange built on Solana. Why Solana? Basically, it's fast, don't require your users to wait, blazing fast speeds with no mempool congestion, 400 millisecond block times and sub-second confirmations, allow for over 50,000 transactions per second, Web 3.0 with Web 2.0 speed. Forget about network fees with the ability to send 1 million transactions across the network for approximately $10. US users can forget about volatile and expensive transaction fees. Enterprise-grade security, audited by a Fortune 500 preferred security firm, ironclad immutability for global scale. You can also build in your own computer language. These guys are top-notch. So this is Serum. This is their DEX. So here, the Serum token SRM. I don't really know much about it. I'm just learning about this, but I just read that the DeFi token Serum surges 1,500% in 12 hours after listing, which was from August. So I guess it's been around just for a little bit. I don't know where you can currently find it. I will get on that, cover that in an upcoming video. The latest DeFi token of Moon is for the decentralized derivatives exchange Serum, which surged by 4 figures following its launch and exchange listings. The Serum project is a new non-custodial DEX that launched on August 11th, and its native SRM token has since surged 1,500%. The Serum project is a collaboration between centralized derivatives trading platform FTX and Solana, a low-fee, high-speed, interoperable smart contract blockchain. Launched less than 12 hours ago at the time of writing, the token has skyrocketed from the launch price of 11 cents to more than 180, according to TradingView. I don't know what it's at now. So FTX announces Solana-based DeFi DEX Serum. This is all over big news. Human protocol to launch decentralized labor pools on Solana blockchain. This is from just a few days ago. Human protocol is a hybrid framework for powering distributed marketplaces that reward humans for contributing their reasoning skills and knowledge, announced today that work is underway to bring the decentralized labor pools enabled by the Human protocol to Solana, an open censorship-resistant blockchain built to scale crypto to a global audience. With growing demand and scalability in mind, Human protocol has selected Solana to solve challenges unique to handling a vast number of on-chain transactions and settling labor pools, as well as payments quickly. Leveraging Solana's high-throughput blockchain, wide validator support, and robust architecture, Human protocol believes its technology will be able to scale at ease with Solana, a fundamental component to extracting more nuanced data models. So they're doing some really interesting projects. Solana targets growth in Southeast Asia with a $5 million grant scheme. It only allows projects with a physical presence in Southeast Asia to apply for the program, which provides up to 100,000 plus technical and community support. The Solana network has surpassed 10 billion transactions. That was from January 24th. So Solana's making moves, guys. And Serum as well. Check them both out. Solana is just under $4 right now with this dip we're on. So I would recommend grabbing some, but I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is for entertainment purposes only. Please do not do what I say. Just have a nice day. And hope to see you back on this channel very soon. Have a wonderful evening and aloha.